First, the top stories. Chief Minister N. Biren inaugurates Manipur International Textile Expo organized by Directorate of Handlooms and Textiles at Urban Hut, Nilakuti. Minister of Social Welfare Hekam Dingo expresses concern that cases of child sexual offense is rising with advent of internet. Security Service Firm demands retainer of security service provider at newly constructed Churichandpur Medical College. Jury Development Organization strongly denounces attempt to include a village in Leisabitol under Jiribam district into Tamenglong district. India records 1,082 fresh COVID cases along with 7 fatalities due to the infection in the past 24 hours. Hello, good evening. You're watching PONYTV English News. I'm CHRISTINA LEIVON, and now the news in details. Chief Minister N. Biren Singh inaugurated Manipur International Textile Expo Manitex organized by the Directorate of Handlooms and Textiles at the Urban Hut, Nilakuti today. The National Handloom Development Program's financial aid was delivered to weavers with Aadhaar-linked bank account numbers by the Chief Minister through DBT, as well as the Mega Handloom Cluster of Infal East and the Craft Handloom Village in Moirang. During the function, Chief Minister announced that 15,450 handloom weavers and boatmen would receive financial help through DBT with an estimate total outlay of rupees 23,04,815 crore. The Chief Minister noted that money are transferred directly to the farmers, weavers, elderly retirees, scheme beneficiaries account. He emphasized that the government had made the decision to build a distributor of yarn in Imaketel because some businessmen were attempting to monopolize the yarn industry. This would allow weavers to purchase yarn at lower cost. The Chief Minister stated that considering instances of mass production of traditional clothes, traditional items which are handmade should not be replaced by machine-made copies.
International tourist maya, even Prime Minister Singh, Bharat ki President laga na inaugurate ho gaya hai. Kangkhui ke ukhul ki hujik loishala hai. Mafam khuding da behang amukta yoromdra ba behang hai ba Myanmar ga tai na ba border to the lake na hujik cultural center and hujik semkonis. Shibu Chandrakirti Maharaj na matam da lusai expedition ga mari lege na British ka punna magasal ka na magi khongbam tan mafam do handak chala sangar bi. Puhang hang ga karigumba magi makhal magi fencing ma yaudra University. Ngasi dia tu Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji ki makha dai koi. Yam safe oi ba, yam secure oi ba. Citizen na mai do koi oi. General Messenger kudai sel sa sing. Punamak na khoi gi mating dagi na khoi gi blessing dagi ngasi Manipur da ing sing na santi oi lai ba khangmani. Makha ta na Manipur se ama toi na ing sing na santi oi lai na ba ima isa se mayam dagi ai blessing nijari.
High Court of Manipur organized a one-day set-level consultation on implementation of POCSO Act 2012 at City Convention Center in Palace Compound today. The program was attended by Chief Justice, High Court of Manipur Justice Sanjay Kumar, High Court of Manipur Judges M.V. Muralidharan and A. Bimol Singh, Advocate General Manipur, Lenin Hijam, Director Manipur Judicial Academy, K.H. Nobin Singh, Police Department and Social Welfare Department's officials. Addressing at the program, Social Welfare Minister Hekam Dingo stated that the internet has led to an upsurge in POCSO cases. According to him, it is necessary to prevent sexual assault against children. He stated that he believed that the consultation will be effective in preventing the alarming POCSO cases. Under the direction of the State Child Protection Society, District Child Protection and Juvenile Justice Board, the Police Department and Social Welfare Department have been raising public awareness of POCSO and working to prevent it. However, crimes against children continue to occur on a daily basis. Therefore, it is essential for High Court legal experts to create a stringent law in order to stop the rise in POCSO cases. He claimed that the internet is one of the factors contributing to an increase in POCSO incidents, and due to the availability of anything on the internet, many were unable to restrain their desires and committed crimes. On the other side, parents who keep their kids in boarding schools are unable to care for them and gain freedom, which leads them to start committing crimes openly. Since such crimes are more common in rural areas, he continued, it is important to raise awareness there. The Churichanpur Medical College security recruitment tender by Director Sasikumar must be retendered. The above statement was given by Smart Security Service Secretary L. Pratap at a press conference held at the Press Club today. He added that a tender was held on October 26 in the Medical Directorate to provide security at the Churichanpur Medical College. They had complained to the director for a retainder due to an error in the tender. In the tender was held as technical bid and financial bid, but inside the envelope, the technical bid and financial bid were mixed. When asked the following day, they responded that they would be re-tendered. On contrary, the Director of Health Services, Dr. K.H. Sasikumar Mangang, issued an order approving MS Smart Super Security Service and MS Manipur Guard Service for technical bid. However, while being registered in 2021, the aforementioned agency did not meet the criteria for 3 years of experience as per tender point number 8. Director K.H. Sasikumar needs to do the retender as soon as possible because there are errors between the order released and the approved order.
Director of Health Service, Government Manipur ki Dr. K.S. Sasikumar Mangangna tender asida hariba farm agency anisi financial technical bigi proof tawre haino notice ama tole hariba agency number 1 da policy MS Super Security Service OPCD Private Limited hariba agency asi akoi gi restart tawbasi 16 November 2001 da Private Limited company oi tawbani aduga tender ki document da akoina number 8 yoriba copy of past experience for last 3 years haibani hariba asidi akoina company ekta mana private limited start tawasi sahi amagi meya da ngairi aduga document da akoina close tawbada government order thoisi 3 years haibani last 3 year experience haibani hari policy lana tawre habasi order asina masana tae aduna Dr. Sasikantana haiba tender cd tender tawgadabani tawgada adi mari mathakda akoi RTI gumba akoi dokona basem.
Jiri Development Organization has strongly denounced the attempt to include a village in Leisabitol in Jiribam district into Tamenglong district, and alleged Chief Cole Jangmingthang Singsan addressed a press meet held at the office of the organization at Babupara. President of JDO and Sadananda Meitei stated that disputes are there along the district border of Tamenglong and Faizol with Jiribam till today. But there is enough evidence that the village lies under the jurisdiction of Jiribam district. Some person who came from Paitol area started making couple of small huts in 1997 to 1998. But in 2011, the then Revenue Minister T.H. Devendra approved the land for converting it into firing range of Manipur police. He therefore appealed not to disturb the peaceful coexistence of different communities in the area. Finance Secretary Mutum Biken Meitei and member of JDO Yumrembam Biken Meitei also attended the press meet.
Mr. Jamithang Singson Koba, Sip Natraga Siamen, Lesabiton Cookie, Village Aidana.
College of Nursing Lampilpat celebrated its 11th Foundation Day at Medical Directorate Conference Hall in Lampilpat today. The program was attended by Health and Family Welfare Minister Dr. Sapam Ranjan Singh, Health Services Manipur Director K.H. Sasikumar Mangang, Medical Directorate College of Nursing Principal Dr. N. Sirbala, Medical Directorate Nursing Joint Director Lalbiag Moy, and Manipur Nursing College Council Registrar T.H. Nandarani. As part of the program, an oath-taking ceremony of BSc Nursing first semester students was also held. Speaking on the occasion, Minister Dr. Sapam Ranjan stated that a nurse must possess the ability to serve patients cheerfully and satisfactorily. Everyone has trouble in life, but it's imperative to put those issues aside while providing patients with a positive attitude, saying that nurses are the heart of the health care. He stated the nurses have a crucial role in society. Making sure that the patient remembers the effort and profession of the nurse when they are discharged from the hospital is must and must never lose sight of the fact that we are there for them and that it is our responsibility to serve them, he added.
Aduna, sige responsibility, it is just not in book like the ideas, your views, your whatever knowledge you know, share then, because it is our duty to make a wonderful Manipur, to make a wonderful India. Duty. And all of us, all individual in any profession, that sense of nationalism, sense of pride, sense of doing, sense of wanting to do good for the people, I think that is so very important. And sige mayam siya so you light up your candle, carry your candle, spread that light, go to the darkness, bring happiness to the people around you, bring them smile. As I've said, the most important 5-letter word is the smile. Bring smile to everyone.
The Superintendent of Police TCPW Manipur Wongpam Kasar hosted a Ningol Chakoba feast for the women traffic personnel at the Office of Traffic Control Police Wing MG Avenue today. Speaking on the occasion, SP Wongpam Kasar said that the Chakoba was held as a token of respect and appreciation towards the sisters in traffic police. On the occasion, the SP and officers of TCPW extended greetings to the women personnel and presented gifts to them. Most of the women traffic personnel missed the Ningol Chakoba on 27 October as they were on duty the whole day to manage the usual heavy Ningol Chakoba traffic. Those who attended the event held the gesture of the SP and expresses that such event helps to lessen the rigors of the uniform service. As a preventive measures taken up by District Police of Imphal West, teams of CDO Imphal West conducted house-to-house search operation and verification of rented houses from 6:40 a.m. to 8:30 a.m. in the morning at Ningombam, Awang Lekay and Konjing Lekay, Kauna, Tabi. During the operation, around 85 houses, including rented, and 105 individuals, including 3 ballots of the different UZ groups, were verified. According to a report, no one was picked up for further verification. Let's take a short break. Keep watching.
Kasha Ventures Private Limited, Sky Fancy presents Northeast Aerosports Hot Air Balloons and Paramotors Fiesta 2023. India's first Aerosports and Hot Air Balloons Fiesta will be held in Manipur. This event will feature skydiving show, paramotoring, hot air balloons, cultural shows, food and fun fair, fashion event, experience rock concert to another height, and a lot of other exciting events. Come and experience the once-in-a-lifetime experience. Explore the hidden gem of nature, Loktak. Experience the ultimate sky high at Fiesta 2023, Manipur.
Welcome after the break. District Legal Services Authority in Far West has announced that a number of campaigns under the aegis of National Legal Services Authority and Manipur Legal Services Authority. The campaign will be held as a part of the special campaigns Empowerment of Citizens through Legal Awareness and Outreach and Hak Hamari Bhi Tohe at the rate 75 that were launched by National Legal Services Authority and to be Chief Justice of India Justice Y. Chandrachur on October 31st and which will continue through November 13. Speaking to the media and the press meeting at Manipur Press Club, the campaign advisor C.H. Momon stated that numerous activities including a legal awareness program and door-to-door legal awareness will be carried out as a part of the campaign to help the underprivileged public in various ways. He said the mega beneficiary camp will be held at Infal West DC Complex on November 6. A street play with the title Victim of Trafficking and Commercial Sexual Exploitation will be performed in Kangla on November 7. A display of historical articles of judiciary at Chera Court on November 11 and pro bono registrations game will be held at the Chera Court complex on November 12. He advised the general public to take advantage of these campaigns.
Legal Services Authority National ki Makada amadi Manipur State Legal Services Authority ki Meng Makada District Legal Services Imphal West na matam ki legal awareness amadi door to door campaign kaya tawduna ay talaira awana taraba ain gi mateng darkar oibe singda ekona ain gi mateng mayam ama pangre adugi mathakta handak ki sina maru oina ekoi gi jail la leiriba inmate sing amadi child care institution singda leiriba inmate akoi gi leiriba angang sing sida ain gi mateng darkar oibe sing se ekona directly phangnabagi damaka makoi sing se ekona personally unara grievances mayamdu laura kanda masi national level da mayamgi oina tawgadoriba sida hoi manipur gi su adu yahuna bagi damakta masi gi campaign se maru oina hodokchabane.
According to an order released by the Kakching District Magistrate, the instances of illegal immigrants in various parts of the state has been continuously detected and apprehended by state police and other related machineries, whereas in recent times there had been detections and violation of Manipur ILP guidelines and many arrested in different parts of the state during ILP verification drive, staged for identifications of illegal migrants and also to check the use of wrongfully obtained Indian documents including Aadhaar card, voter cards, driving license, ration cards, ILPS is needed. So an exercise of the power conferred under subsection 2 of section 144 of CRPC 1973, all house owners under Kakching district are required to mandatorily get tenant verification done from concerned police station. The superintendent of Kakching Police should ensure verification of all the houses, guest houses, hotels in Kakching district and also to check genuineness of the identity documents in the possessions. Modi Battalion under the aegis of Headquarter IGAR South seized narcotics from Molnoy Village, Chandel District on November 3. Based on specific input regarding a catch of contraband items, a search party was sent at Molnoy Village. On thorough search of the jungle, troops of Assam Rifles recovered 25 soap cases containing brown sugar weighing 350 grams. The seized narcotics assessed to be worth approximately rupees 70 lakhs in the international market were handed over to Tengnopal Police Station for further investigation. Churachandpur Battalion of Assam Rifle under the aegis of Headquarter I Vigilance Awareness Gram Sabha in Samulamlan village of Churachandpur district as a part of the Vigilance Awareness Week today. The Gram Sabha was focused upon corruption, its effect on development of nation and measures to eradicate corruption from grassroots level. Due emphasis were given on type of vigilance, which are preventive vigilance, punitive vigilance, and surveillance and detection. The aim of the drive was to bring together all the stakeholders to participate in the prevention of corruption and to raise public awareness about the threats posed by corruption. In this regard, the Gram Sabha was adequately organized to percolate down the essence of vigilance, prevailing anomalies, mitigations measures and preventive laws. A total of 28 villagers participated in the event. On the other hand, Headquarter 10 Sector of Assam Rifle under the aegis of Headquarter IGAR South organized integrity pledge on Vigilance Awareness Week at Somsai Garrison. Assam police today seized a huge quantity of suspected Yaba tablets worth ₹15 crore in the international market from the Sonapur area of Guwahati. The drug was seized from a vehicle following a specific input. The police, based on the input, intercepted a vehicle at the Nazirakat toll gate near Sonapur. On searching the vehicle, the police found 60,000 Yaba tablets hidden in a chamber of the vehicle. The police have arrested one person identified as Muhammad Ajmal Khan in connection with the seizure. The accused is a resident of Thoubal district in Manipur. Two employees of the Office of Superintending Engineer of Lakhimpur Water Resources cycle were caught while they were allegedly accepting a bribe of ₹6,000 from an individual. The arrested person have been identified as Head Assistant Tarun CH Morang and Upper Divisional Assistant UDA Samarjyoti Sakya. They were accused of taking a bribe of ₹6,000 from an individual for possessing and issuing of contractor's license. The duo was trapped based on a complaint by a contractor. He claimed that UDA Samarjyoti Sakya on behalf of Tarun CH Morang demanded ₹6,000 from him. However, unwilling to pay the bribe, the contractor approached the Vigilance Wing and a team from the Directorate of the Vigilance and Anti-Corruption arrested the accused. An ACB police station case under Section 120B of IPC read with Section 7A of the Prevention of Corruption Act 1988 against Tarun CH Morang and Samarjyoti Sakya was registered. The Mizoram government yesterday suspended a subdivisional officer SDO under the State Power and Electricity Department over the death of a lineman who was a master role employee in the department. The lineman, identified as Francis Rochungnunga, aged 30, died of electrocution on November 3 when he was fixing electric cables. The incident occurred at around 4 p.m. in Longlaitla town in the southern part of the state. People familiar with the incident say that the victim came in contact with a high voltage power line, which he was fixing when a person on duty suddenly switched on the power line from a control room. The victim succumbed to his injury in a hospital. The government order issued by the Power and Electricity Department Commissioner and Secretary H. Laleng Mavia on yesterday said that the STO in Longklai Power Subdivision has been suspended with immediate effect. The incident sparked outrage with the Young Lai Association YLA, the largest civil organization of the Lai people in Longklai district, staking agitations November 3rd evening and demanding action against officials responsible for the incident. Meanwhile, Power Minister R. Laljiliana said that on-duty employees at the control room, if happen to be a master role employee, will be terminated. An investigation has been launched and disciplinary action would be taken against officials responsible for the mishap. India recorded a total of 1,082 fresh COVID cases along with 7 fatalities due to the infection in the past 24 hours, bringing the country's overall COVID tally to 4,46,59,447. According to the data shared by the Union Health Ministry, 1,580 have been recovered in the last 24 hours in India. The total day toll in India stands at 5,30,479. Out of the 7 fatalities, two each were from Kerala and Delhi and 1 each from Maharashtra, Sikkim and Uttar Pradesh. The total active cases have declined to 15,200 in the country. The recovery rate is recorded at 98.78% as per the data. According to the Health Ministry, 219.71 crore doses of COVID-19 vaccine have been administered in the country so far under the national-wide vaccination drive. Now let's look to the headlines once again. Chief Minister N. Biren inaugurates Manipur International Textile Expo organized by Directorate of Handlooms and Textiles at Urban Hut Nilakuti. Minister of Social Welfare Hekam Dingo expresses concern that cases of child sexual offense is rising with advent of internet. Security Service firm demands retainer of security service provider at newly constructed Churachandpur Medical College. Jiri Development Organization strongly denounces attempts to include a village in Leisabitol under Jiribam district into Tamenglong district. India records 1,082 fresh COVID cases along with 7 fatalities due to the infection in the past 24 hours. That's the end of today's bulletin. Thank you for watching.